this video, I'm going to show you how to make one of these. No, not the dog. A hydro dip tumbler. The water is at, if this is accurate, 88 degrees. So we should be good. It's got to be between 80 and 90. Are we ready? Water's at the right temperature. Film, I have taped all the way around it. This is to hold the ink in place once it's activated, so it doesn't stretch. I have cleaned the film as much as I can. When I put it in, I'm going to put it in like so. The idea is not to trap air bubbles. I didn't want that. Start. I set a 1-minute timer. You don't want water on there. So your activator is ready. I'm going to have to avoid this corner now. Okay. In 1 minute. Thank you. Now we hit it with the activator, and it's supposed to be 12 inches high and cover 12 inches in 1 second. So it'd be like 1001, 1001. With 20% overlap. You let it get glossy. Woo! That activator is powerful. I do apologize. I'm going to have to switch sides because I don't want to do that corner. It's very glassy, which is good. Nice and slow. And of course, everything's trying to get in my way. It's attacking me. Oh, there's the seam. Oh, man, I hope you can see that. I'm sorry about the light. I'm thinking that's looking good. All right, I got to go rinse this. All right, one of you guys turn the camera off. I can't touch it right now. I rinsed it in warm water, not spraying it hard, just rinsing it with warm water. For like 3 to 5 minutes until it got rid of the sliminess. So that means all that plastic backing is gone. And this is what we have. Looks good. I hope the light is good enough for you to see it now that I've moved out of the way. Yeah. One thing I wish I had done. This is where I'll be drinking it from here. So that's the front. The seam is right there. Oh well. It still looks good. Now I'm going to be hitting it with a gloss clear coat. I'll be taping it about here and about here. Well, just past where the ink is. Because I want just the clear coat to go just over the edge. That's my plans. And the final product. Try to keep the glare off of it, but keep it light enough for you to see. That is with the clear gloss top coat. And again, this was from a pretty cheap kit I bought off of Amazon. I will link it in the description below. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.